Hey there, interested in diversified, professional management for your money? Investing in mutual funds with Fidelity gives you access to thousands of funds, including their famous zero-fee index funds. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to invest. Log into your Fidelity account and go to the News and Research tab, then select Mutual Funds. You can screen for funds by strategy, risk level, or performance. Once you've chosen a fund, click Buy. You'll select the account to purchase from, choose between a dollar amount or share quantity, and pick your order type. Review and submit. My crucial pro tip: pay attention to the net expense ratio. This is the annual fee you pay. Fidelity offers excellent index funds with expense ratios of 0.0% or very close to it. Lower fees mean more of your money stays invested and compounds over time. That's how you build a diversified core for your portfolio with ease. Do you prefer the simplicity of index funds or the active approach of managed funds? Tell me your preference below. For more foundational investment guides, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.